In Leadpages, there are two types of templates, a standard template and a drag and drop template. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can build one squeeze page before you attend the workshop so that you will understand how this works, so that when we are there on the 2 days workshop, you will not waste time and you will know exactly what to do and how to navigate. So this is a simple landing page that I want. When you click, you are supposed to have this get my free passive income for girls step-by-step Soul Rich Woman blueprint, and then you can see very easily the name and first name. So I'm going to teach you some some quick hacks that you can use. First is to scroll down to look for that template within the whole tutorial. Okay, so come down here, click 96. And 全部的东西都一目了然. So using this template, okay, you can use this squeeze page, this template, or you can use this. All this a little bit more complex, but let me just show you a very straightforward one. Okay, I use back this. This is built into this, okay? This template was built into this. Okay, so you need to name your page. Okay, step 1, you need to name your page. So this is what we call a demo page. So demo. By the end of this tutorial, you must be able to build at least one squeeze page. Okay, your objective, what is your objective of this tutorial? Okay, so you listen very carefully, yeah? First is to be able to build up one squeeze page, very simple squeeze page by just changing these elements. 2, you must be able to have a lead box like that to collect leads, okay? 3, once I key in this, I must be able to collect emails via 2 places. 1, which is via lead notifications, which I'll show you in a while. 2 is within your integration of your GetResponse or MailChimp, okay, or Infusionsoft. So now you're in this page, okay, so you need to put in your logo. So I believe if you have your logo, I'm not going to do much changes. Just very quickly, I'm going to show you how you upload images, how you navigate, and I will explain through some of the standard dashboard. So I insert this. Okay, so let me take you through this thing. So these are called widgets. Widgets are stuff that you can just put here. Okay, input your headline. Okay, under headlines, here are some quick hacks. Under headline, if you want to change, okay, there is jumbo, headline, subhead, and small head. Jumbo is super big, okay? It's super big. So it's not say bad. You need to always check back on your handphone. So later on, I will show you the hacks. Okay, so under this widget, you can add in buttons, timer, and everything. You can drag and drop and just bring over. So play around with it. I think this is the part that I need you to play around. You can even do this, okay? Then, this part, page layout, is what we call the sections, okay? So this one, if you click on it, you tap on this thing. You can see by tapping on this, you can change the column. Okay, this one, you play around with it first. Okay, that's why I say it's important for you to play around before you come for class. Otherwise, you'll be confused. So just be easy. All right, and this one is just the lower part, and you can edit this accordingly. Page styles are what we call, like, you can choose the font of your page, you know, and then your countdown font. This is interesting. You can change your color. Everything here you can change, okay? So play around with it. Now, what it gets interesting is this part. It's called the SEO. Yep. So this will determine how your page will look. For example, passive income for girls. I go to Facebook. Do you see this? Passive income for girls, and then a write-up in this area, and then the image here. How do I achieve this? It's achieved by keying in all this description, coming to the Facebook, and then put in the title, and then the thumbnail here. And then that's how it become this. This is this. This is this. Get it? Okay, so all this is important to fill out. Okay, important to fill out. So I want you to play around with it. You can change your image. You can add links to the image. Okay, so play around with it. Now, let me go to the next very important part, which is the setting up of your lead box. Lead box means this. Sorry, lead box means this. And this is your box. So I want you to come here, click on this, edit. Okay. So notice the similarity. Okay. So from here, don't do anything first. Okay. You want to edit everything else, you can do it later. But just tap onto the email tab here, the email blank space. And then you will see this part. Choose where your form data to go. So this is my email. So you refresh. There's only can be one email, okay? If you want to have another one, there's no way for you to click. So I integrate with GetResponse and Infusionsoft, so you can choose a GetResponse. So earlier on in the tutorial for GetResponse, I told you to set up a campaign in GetResponse. So you can choose the campaign, okay? For example, okay, Allura Beauty, and then you must add in name. Then you can swap this around, name and email. Okay, so here is the important thing to take note. Always click on this button. Visitor must fill out this field. Visitor must fill out this field. So it's compulsory, okay? Compulsory. Repeat after me. This is compulsory. You must check. Visitor must fill up this field. Okay, done. Okay? So therefore, you see here, now on the right side, you see first name and email, right? Now, this is freaking small. Make it into bigger. Size 8 is recommended by me. Ding, 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 ding. Okay? So, first name and email. Then, click next follow up, and you will see this part. So, save. Just hit save first. Okay? Don't close. Okay, so now it's closed. So don't close it. Click on the first name again. Next, follow up. And then, when you come here, they will send you to a default thank you page. A default thank you page looks like that. Sibei ugly. Ugly not? Ugly, right? So, you want to send people either to another lead page. So I have a lot of lead pages. Okay? Or you can send user to another URL. For example, to your website. Or to your Facebook page. Like for me, usually I will send them to the Facebook group. Like that. Okay? Okay, Ken? So you must do, that means in other words, you need to do 2 lead pages if you want to send them to another lead page. Okay, if you just only want to send them to another URL, you just only need to do 1 lead page because your thank you page is actually another URL. Get it? Now, this is where it gets interesting. This add file is a place for you to add a file to your customers. That means after, this one I think I'll explain in another place, in a tutorial, but it's great to know. This one without your MailChimp, without GetResponse or without Infusionsoft, 你直接可以 send 他们一个 PDF 跟一个 ebook. But the place to send this is within your integration setting, which is right here. You see this lead magnet delivery? This lead magnet delivery right here. Click on it. You see this thing here? So if you have an ebook, okay, you can upload a new file. and it will reflect here. And that's when you can choose what you want to give to your customers without using MailChimp or GetResponse or Infusionsoft, because 它会直接帮你 send 过去. It will automatically send for you even without your autoresponders, okay? Which means without your GetResponse. And that is what I love about Leadpages. In case the integration has got problem, you don't have to worry because there is still leads being collected. You know why? Because in the form info, you have already set up called lead notifications. That means every single email will come into, every single person who opt in will go into the email when they opt in. And because of that, it's going to be so cool because you don't have to worry about missing a single lead again. Yep, so even though the integration for GetResponse example goes haywire, you don't have to worry at all, okay? That is so cool about Leadpages. So this is a very straightforward, just some quick hacks for you to understand the overview of Leadpages. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Quickly set up a simple squeeze page, okay, to collect leads like that, so that you can, before you come for class, you know what to do. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.